Hey guys, I'm out here in Douglasville. We have a couple clients that have done lot reservations to build their home out here, and started with, I believe, I forget if it was 19 or 22 lots, and they are down to three. Two of them, I believe, are basement lots, including this one right here that I'm standing in front of. And as you can tell, it's a really nice lot. Kind of has this little, I want to call it a cul-de-sac with a little inlet here. It's an established community that maybe has 10 homes already in here. So the builder has come in and bought up the remaining lots here. And this is going to be a basement lot. I think after a lot premium, you go to the design center, which one of the last builders still left that is actually allowing you to kind of go to their design center and pick out some things. And it's a really fun experience because a lot of our clients have built in South Fulton, kind of that Fairburn, Chattahoochee Hills line with this builder. And if you want to see the floor plan, it's going to be called I believe it's called the Murphy floor plan. And it was their model home over at this other community. So if you want to actually see what that looks like in person before you go to contract, definitely let me know. Now, there isn't much time to spare on something like this. Like I said, when I started promoting this, maybe, I think I came through a drive-through maybe about 4 or 5 months ago. We got tons of calls, and like I said, they just went under contract right away. So you can't waste too much time. But this Murphy floor plan is really nice because it's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, has a great kitchen, has the master bedroom on the main level, and then being that it's on a basement, you could eventually maybe make it a 6 or potentially even 7-bedroom floor plan. This will put you about maybe, I would say, I would give yourself a good 55 minutes to downtown Atlanta. There's a gas station down the street. There's probably a grocery store, I would say about 6-7 minutes away. And then you have a ton of shopping, like your Home Goods, your Starbucks, your Home Depots, all kinds of restaurants, a mall. Probably about, I would say, maybe 12 minutes away. So it's definitely rural, as you can tell, lots of trees, but you're getting 3.5 acres of I would say 3 to 3.5 acres, depending on the lot size. I think something like this would probably be just touching about 3 acres, but you can kind of see the house over there. That would be your neighbor. And then you have other GreatHomesATL family members out here as well. So if you're interested at all, again, this is lot 3, mention it. I'm thinking it's probably going to run you after you do like a few structural upgrades, design center and something like that. You'll be pretty much well into the 6s, I would say. When I'm taping this in January of 2022, I believe on their website, it says about 605 or 610. But you know you're going to want to do some upgrades and go to the design center and stuff like that. So I would say definitely well in the 6s. We have the lender for you as well that can work this deal. You're probably looking at more realistically like an 18-month time frame for build. They're going to say 12 to 18 months, but with supply chains and all the clearing of land they're going to have to do and stuff like that, I say give yourself 18 months. All right, guys, if you're interested, this is lot 3. Mention it to me, and we're going to have to jump on it. Talk to you soon.